Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick tutorial about slicing a Mandalorian helmet super quick, the easiest way possible with the built-in 3D builder on Windows 10. So all we have to do, select the helmet, come up to edit, select split, rotate to the side you want it on. So in this case we'll do 90 for half and half, keep both, split, done. You now have two halves, which you could remove one, delete this, save this, then Control Z, bring it back, delete this one, save this one, Control Z, and then you're back again. If you want to do it more, select both halves again, select split. You can move this up and down to where you want it. Exactly the same again, keep both, split. If you want another one down the side here. Set this to 90. Adjust it to where you want it. Keep both again, split. Done. Super simple way to slice everything up. Literally in a few minutes. Save each one of these individually. Print them in parts. Couldn't be simpler. Hope that helped. Have fun.